In this video, I'm going to answer a very common question that I've gotten this far in my journey, and the very same question that I was asking myself for months. And those questions are, is Amazon too saturated? Is it still a good side business? Is it too competitive? So what I'm going to do for you guys today is I'm going to get into some statistics that I found that helped me decide if Amazon was still a good business to start. So let's get straight into it. Let's talk about profit. What I found is that half of Amazon sellers make anywhere from $1,000 a month profit to $25,000 a month profit. That being said, that means they're actually selling $12,000 to $300,000 through Amazon monthly. As for Amazon third-party sellers like myself and my friends who sell on Amazon, there are 1.5 million in the world and 1.1 million in the United States. However, there is 95 million Amazon Prime members in the United States. So that's enough to go around. Now let's talk about the customers. 55% of customers check Amazon first. However, 90% of customers, when they're online shopping, will go and price check with Amazon. That being said, after the customer checks the retail site, price checks on Amazon, turns into over 40% of online sales yearly are made. Another fact worth noting is that 86% of millennials spend double the time and money on Amazon than baby boomers do. That being said, millennials are going to be around a lot longer than baby boomers, so that's bound to grow, and also through the rest of the generations. Some more big reasons why I decided to sell on Amazon initially was that 56% of their units are sold by third-party sellers, people like myself. You also get access to the largest e-commerce website in the world. Plus, there are several different ways to sell on Amazon. You can do arbitrage, where you're basically reselling products at a higher price than you originally bought it for. You can do wholesale. You can do private label. You can do digital art and sell on Amazon KDP. There's tons of different ways to use the Amazon platform to make extra cash, whether that be a significant amount of $1,000 to a very significant amount of $25,000 a month profit. So anyways, I'm going to leave the video there. Also, if you're already an Amazon seller, or if you're looking to network with people who are, we do have a free Discord, and it'll be linked down below in this video. Feel free to hop on and say hello, and we'll be looking forward to meeting you.